Congratulations on your purchase of a new Coaxsher search and rescue pack. We're going to be talking about the SR-1 series, the SR-1 Recon and the SR-1 Endeavor. We're going to start at the beginning of the video. It's going to show you how to assemble the pack of the SR-1 Recon. At the end of the video, we'll show you the assembly instructions of the Endeavor. All right, we're going to talk about the SR-1 Recon. Right out of the box, what you're going to get is you're going to get your harness, your water reservoir case, 700 pack mod, medical kit case, and a dual flagging tape dispenser, which has MOLLE attachments you can put on either side of the hip belt. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and show you how to assemble this. So you have two options when you're attaching the medical kit case and the fire shelter case. The yellow straps is a drop down strap. Okay, so when you attach this, it gives you the ability, if you pull these black tabs, it drops that down and it gives you a storage compartment. You could put a bedroll, you can put trekking poles, whatever you want, and you just retighten that up. So it's a nice little storage area. You also have the capability, if you don't want that, this male buckle is there. It's redundancy, it's a backup system, if you will. So you have that option too. So you attach that there, two buckles at the bottom. Your medical kit case is now attached to the pack. 700 mod, you have a male buckle off the medical kit case, clicks in there. Top buckle into the harness, two side buckles, 3/4. Attach those into the harness. And that, when you bring in that, you attach that, that's your fully assembled SR-1 Recon. All right, so we're getting into the SR-1 Endeavor. Out of the box, what you're gonna have is the harness, the water reservoir case, the medical kit case. We've already shown you how to assemble that to the harness. You also are gonna have a 1500 pack mod. This is how you attach that to the harness. You got two buckles down here. And you got two buckle straps up here. This first one goes underneath the grab handle. That goes into the harness. This is your load stabilization strap, goes into the shoulder yoke. Then on the side, you have 3/4 buckles that attach like that. Same thing on this side. And make sure when you're doing this, it goes through this port. There's a port for the buckle. All right, so the 1500 pack is now attached to the harness. Next, you have your 400 pack mod. That simply clicks onto the 1500 mod. Two buckles there. Again, these side buckles, and then your female goes through the port. Make sure you do that on both sides. So now you have a fully assembled SR-1 Endeavor.